Today we're looking at this Royalaxe keyboard. It's got sort of a retro vibe to it. It's got 3 different ways you can connect. You can connect up using a Wi-Fi dongle, Bluetooth, or even a cable. It's got all this RGB, and on top of that you can replace all the switches and keycaps if you wish. Meet the Royalaxe R87, an 80% compact, high-performance, customizable gaming keyboard that might just be the perfect piece of tech to level up your gaming experience. The Royalaxe R87 stands out in the crowd with its TTC Pink Switches that guarantee satisfying tactile feedback, smooth keystrokes, and pinpoint accuracy in even the most intense gaming sessions. Its hot swappable capability is a gamer's dream, offering the freedom to tailor your keyboard to your preferences. And let's not forget the immersive RGB backlighting that adds an extra layer of ambience to your gaming setup. But that's not all. The keyboard offers seamless integration into both Windows and Mac systems and provides both wired USB and wireless 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connectivity options. When you first get your hands on the Royalaxe R87, you're greeted with a simple, minimalistic white box featuring a glossy image of the keyboard in the centre. On the back you'll find some basic specs and information, although it could benefit from more details, perhaps a QR code leading to the product's website or a video trailer with additional information. Upon opening the box, you'll find a second box with some basic branding. Inside that, you'll find the keyboard neatly wrapped in one-use plastic, along with a plastic tray to cover the keys. In the package, you'll also get a user manual, a product card, 4 extra pink switches, keycap and switch removers, and a nicely braided 1.8 meter USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, and as I said, a little more one-use plastic than we'd like, but not a deal breaker. Examining the keyboard, the build quality is evident right off the bat. The bottom of the keyboard features 4 anti-slip feet that work surprisingly well even on glossy surfaces. There's an arched area on the base housing the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi receiver, also giving the keyboard a tilted position which might not suit everyone but can provide a more comfortable typing angle. The sides of the keyboard are rather plain apart from the Royalaxe name printed on the front and the logo on the rear, along with a USB Type-C port for charging or wired usage. The right hand side also houses the Wi-Fi adapter like we spoke about. The top of the keyboard has a cool retro vibe, complemented by the contrast of the light brown base and command keys with the darker brown numeric and A to Z keys. It has a layout typical to an 80% keyboard. It forgoes the number pad but retains most other keys. You'll find a switch to change between Windows or Mac mode and a wheel to toggle between connection modes. Speaking of connections, the R87 offers a variety of options including 2.4 GHz USB adapter, Bluetooth 3.0 or 5.0 and a traditional wired connection. The build quality is commendable, with no flex or unwanted sounds when subjected to bending. There's no rattle from the keys during typing, and the overall experience feels solid. As for the RGB effects, they are impressive and easy to adjust using the function and insert key on the keyboards. The brightness and speed of the effects are also tweakable as well, but the keycap lettering isn't see-through, meaning that the light is only visible around the edges of the keycaps. In terms of software, you can download it from the Royalaxe website. It can be a bit sluggish to install and use and may take some time to load, but once up and running, it works as expected. You can redefine keys, change the RGB effects down to the individual key, adjust sleep settings, and create macros, offering a good level of customization. Okay, so we're going to do a sound test now. You can see the microphone here. I'll sound a little bit different because I'm a lot further away from the microphone and I'm having to project my voice. So To give you a comparison, we've got a traditional type of keyboard here, what most people would have probably used in an office or something like that, just to give you a rough idea. There we go. So this is the obviously Royalaxe keyboard in comparison. So let's have a look. So the QWERTY keys first. Enter key, spacebar, left shift, right shift, arrow keys, WAS and D, and a full sentence. To wrap things up, the Royalaxe R87 is a robust, feature-packed gaming keyboard that offers excellent performance and customization. With its sleek design and high build quality, it's a great addition to any gaming setup. Whether you're a casual or a competitive gamer, the R87 could be the perfect tool to enhance your gaming experience. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.